Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make phone charms. First, let's gather all the necessary items to begin your creative project. You'll need a selection of beads and charms, along with a strong string like nylon or waxed polyester cord. Don't forget your scissors for cutting, and pliers can be helpful for certain attachments. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the fun part, designing your charm. Lay out your beads to visualize the pattern and color combinations you want. Cut your string to a length of about 10 to 12 inches, giving you plenty of room to work. Begin threading your chosen beads and charms onto the string, following your planned design. Remember to create a small loop at one end. This will be crucial for attaching your charm later. Once your design is complete, it's time to secure everything. Tie a sturdy double knot at the end of your beaded section to keep all your elements in place. For extra durability, apply a tiny drop of super glue to the knot. Carefully trim any excess string, leaving a neat finish. Finally, attach a small clasp or jump ring to the loop you created, making it ready to connect to your phone case. Personalize your charms by experimenting with diverse bead shapes, sizes, and colors. You can also mix and match different charm styles to create truly unique accessories that reflect your personality. To keep your phone charm looking its best, clean it gently with a soft cloth when needed. Store your creations carefully to prevent tangling or damage, ensuring they last a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.